welcome back to another episode of my game Devlog. In this episode, again, I will try my best to complete connecting every single thing from our UI based logic to our sprite based logic. So, every action that we perform would be um, a key press based instead of a button click. So, let's just jump right in. Okay, let me just check where I left it off. So we should be able to see some customers spawning and waiting for queue. So 3 of these customers spawn and very nice. Okay. So let's just open up our level manager. Okay, every 5 seconds, maybe I need to increase this a little bit. Maybe give it a range of random dot range. 10 to 15 seconds, I guess that would be good. Okay, and when this this is good. Okay, where am I? Doing this right. Okay. After maybe yeah, so the level manager should tell us that we need to move to our no, let me just confirm this once again. Check state, walk towards restaurant. Okay. If there is a slot, maybe I should add another state, which is idle, thinking, walking, placing order, tipping, leaving, despawn. Okay, maybe idle and then waiting for turn, I guess, for turn, and then here we can add case and we can like this break, so we can make another function private void wait for turn. And instead of doing this walk towards restaurant, we can do this over here, and then was this walk towards restaurant? The think time should be after. Okay, the order doesn't matter. Walk towards restaurant should be plot. Instead of doing wait for queue position, we should use current walk position, something like this. And instead of doing something like 1 second, maybe change this to, maybe calculate the distance between the queue position and the position slot position of the restaurant, and then based on the distance we set the time so that it does not look that one customer is moving faster than the other, so that the time would remain same, the walk speed would remain same. But let's just keep it simple and just give it a value of maybe like 3 seconds. Okay, what next? So now I have to change the order. So customer states start walking. Check wait for queue is called when it's idle. System can add customer yes, and state to waiting for turn. And let me think about this for a moment. So I need to change customer state back to walking. The level manager is responsible for making that customer wait, right? I guess not. I guess not. This got spawned, and the customer logic should check if I can give an order. So there would be a time. Instead of this, I can do something like add um, to placing order rights here. Okay, where is the wait timer? Because as far as I know, you mean the order system? I forgot. Um, the customer is currently waiting in queue, right? So this does that, and so this changes to okay. But where was this walking? Okay, so if we are in thing state, let's do this thinking state, think time. There is no while loop in our customer logic. Okay, so check wait for queue. This was the okay. So this should be something like this. Whenever a customer is spawned, and if it's in idle state, this would call this, and the start function check state would be called, and then it will go to this we check waiting for queue. So waiting for turn, when it's set to waiting for turn, I need to do something like check state. So this will be and this will be raw. What can I do to make it better? So this is currently, this logic is um, it's checking if we can place an order. So so this would be state is equal to walking. But before that, now I guess this is correct. Waiting for turn, wait for turn, and wait for turn will move our player to our current walk position, and then we have these slots, right? I guess we had these. After setting this date to walk, maybe I can. Here we have a reference to. Do not have a reference to level manager. Order system dot. Okay, let's just implement get open and we need to copy these. Yeah, we don't actually have. I did. Okay, I did not pass it because it was not relevant to level manager. So let's do public transform, maybe list of transforms. Transform. Why? Okay, this would be our slots order taking we need to calculate or get the current open slot, private int get current slot, and this would be get current. This would return 0. Okay. What if it does not have an open slot, then what? This will have an open slot. Okay. So let's just do populate we transform it would be, maybe I can make this a dictionary. Do this. Take one. Because I want to flag these slots. We did not want to use. I do not want to use a dictionary. Let's just ask Google what can we do. Maybe create a two-dimension array. But that would be, why would we need a two-dimensional array if we want only one variable? Okay. What else can I do? I don't want to use a dictionary as of yet, because not most the beginners don't know how to use a dictionary, but maybe let's just use a dictionary, I guess. But by using a dictionary I can't pass these. Let's just use a list. It's the same thing. Okay, this is bool order slot taken list is equal to this, and do something like or minimize this, then slot count, and order slot taken list I is equal. Let's just go say this is false, then return I, and this would be, if I do something over here like debug.log, it would just show that you are not making any sense, right? Yep. So let's just get open slot. Okay. Get open slot, and am I calling this? Yes, this function is being called. Need to call this from, I guess, from the customer logic. Event position is equal to system dot get focus dot, and then yeah, I guess we can test this out real quick after I pass certain values. Restaurant mode, ons, slots, yeah. These are the slots, and we need to pass these in here. Slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3. Let's hit play and wait for our customers to get spawned. 3 falls. Okay, let's see. Anywhere between 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah, so here these, what? Yeah, so we have not mentioned any. When we do this get open slot, we mark this as order slot taken I is equal to true, right? And when our customer leaves, like, so how would we know that a customer is on a certain slot? we're telling our customer to leave at the restaurant. Leave restaurant. Where is this getting called? Leaving. Maybe I guess we can just do a simple quick hack. This would be to store the value current slot index 0. And when we call this from here, no, where is this open slot? This is being called over here, and we can do something like this is transform. Do something like maybe call this function get current open slot public. Slot index is equal to I think we should not call this public, right? System dot and now we have this slot index, and when a person leaves, yeah, leave restaurant is called, we can do something like we can say system system dot list Guess I need to do this in order system class. Set order slot taken. Set order. Let me check this. So now our customers would be able to come to the relevant order giving slots. But I need to change, instead of doing this in update, changing the state from walking state to think state, we can just do something. Maybe make another coroutine. But this would be 5, right? And after each on delay is private. Maybe what? On delay is can change the state to thinking. Call check state. Where is this update method? This would be similar. Front. I guess I've handled every single state. Let's test our game real quick. This customer respond. Let me fix the spawns real quick. Um, this would be perfect. So while customers are waiting in queue, um, let's see why is this happening. It's not being called. Let me do something like private void wait. Customer spawn. Customer waits for if a slot is available. Now it's working good. Yes, now it looks a lot better. Let's just increase the wait time a bit. Now the customer will peak. And then, yes, now it looks more natural. What about the next customer? I just realized that our main player is much smaller than our customers. So let's fix this. Where is our prefab? Maybe it's the perspective that's making our player much smaller. As you can see, it's not that small. It's almost the same height of our customers. Okay, let me just delete this. Okay, we are done. I guess we are done with. Let me just do something real quick. Where is our error? Level 1. Let me change wait time of common folk to something like 5 seconds. So we can see, okay, 10 seconds. So we're able to see what happens when a customer leaves a restaurant, because we cannot actually serve their order because we don't actually know what they have ordered unless I go through the console debugs. So this common folk has only 10 seconds. Oh, it got despawned, but it did not. Okay, so I did not actually call this method, and I guess I can do something like yep. And we will have everything working now. But again, the restaurant mode is not complete because we can't actually see our orders. So this looks a bit. Let me just pause this real quick. Why are you? Yes. Oh, is it because it's 1 point set to 1.2? Why is it increasing the size? Okay, let's figure this out in the next video, but let's just test our logic if everything is working as it should. Okay, the customer speaking comes to a restaurant, and after 10 seconds this customer should leave. Is despawning. Why? Is it because we do not have we're not setting the movement slot? Position is equal to dot leave. We need to actually let this let leave position. Despawn point. Yeah. Despawn. And then we can do something like is this, and now our logic is complete. Please journal, I don't need you right now. And we don't need these. Back to Unity real quick. We have, I guess we have 3 more minutes. So again, I think I won't be able to finish this in this video. Okay, the customer is speaking, comes to a restaurant, gives an order. So actually it gave us cup. Okay. So the customer left and it will get despawned. And this is the correct logic. Okay, now this customer should also leave. It left and it got despawned. Let me just confirm this. We should only have one customer, and this is the correct logic. And let me just confirm one thing quickly. Order system should have only one. Yes. So everything is working uh, perfectly. So maybe in the next video I can um, complete this restaurant mode by adding all the orders of the customer and showing the states of every single machine, what state it is currently in. Like, is it processing the order, is it that is the our order is ready to be collected. So yeah, I guess this is it for this video, and thanks for watching, and I hope that I find you guys in the next one.